Z, z, z. Z, 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 z. 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 Z, z, z.
Okay, now spell it for Alicia.
Z, O, O.
Correct. Next word.
Fox, fox, fox.
Good job.
Want to like this?
Yeah, spell fox.
F, O, X.
Good job. Okay. Do you have room to spell another side?
Yeah.
Okay, you can spell another side too. Okay, Janessa.
What?
What word do you want to do next?
This next. The sun. The up. Bus. What, it's like this?
No, S is at the end.
Oh, at the end? Mom, that's what?
That's book.
Boat.
No, that's probably book.
That's probably boot. B. School bus. What? Lion.
That's lion.
What? That's yes.
Correct. Finally, you found it, Janessa.
How do you spell it? B. U. Wait.
Yeah, use a different color for that.
Wait. B. B. U. U.
S.
S. Ring. Ring, 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 ring. Sun, 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 sun. Sun, 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 sun. Sun, 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 sun. Ring.
Okay.
How do you spell it? Ow.
Did you say R?
Yeah. She said O.
I know it sounded like O, but she said R.
L.
That's I.
I.
What letter goes in the space?
N.
G.
G. Owl.
How
do you spell it? O. L.
No. The space is for a letter, Janessa. There's supposed to be a...
W. O. L. No L.
That's a L. That's a L too, Janessa.
O.
Okay.
So, oh, that's
No.
No, Q.
Q comes first, Janessa. You need to flip them. Mm-hmm.
Q.
And then
And U. E. E. And then N.
mm-hmm. Good job.
Wait. Huh? I thought those pictures. There was actually one picture.
Ooh, it needs to go in the picture pile, Janessa. Mm-hmm.
No. It's not in this pile. I saw it. Oh. No. Sand and stuff. Swim. S. N.
No. Which letter goes in the middle?
This letter. U. N.
Good job. Try to write them so she can read them. Okay? Because if you write them a little different.
Cow, pig.
No, Janessa, you're gonna read them later. Let's do one more word. One more word, okay?
more.
Yeah. Pick one more word you wanna do.
And bug. No. Dog. B and dog. Dog.
Mm-hmm.
How do you spell dog? Fuzzy.
Yeah, spell.
D. O. Yes.
G.
G.
Mm-hmm.
Mama wrote that. That's it.
Okay, can you go to the blackboard now? Let's go. You're gonna read the words for us. Can you read the words?
Cow, pig, cat, zoo, fox, sun, no,
That's a B.
bus,
Mm-hmm. Ring.
ring, owl, queen, sun, dog.